Hey guys, Adventures with Cash here, and today I'm actually reviewing a BB gun. I've never done a video like this before, so it's gonna be like a little different from the usual videos I do. So I'm gonna be reviewing the Umarex Legends MP40 replica. It's the velocity is 465 feet per second. It's full auto, semi-auto, blowback, full metal, drop-free mag, a 52 round mag. Steel BBs work best, and it takes 12 gauge CO or 12 gram CO2 cartridges. So I'm just gonna open it up and okay, so this is what it looks like. I've seen like some videos, some reviews on this, and most of them say that's really good. So I know how you like load it and stuff like that. So come on. I've never fired this before, but I'm looking forward to that. Whenever we go outside, I'm gonna fire it. So I'm actually gonna put it like this. So this is the magazine. One of the things that sent in the video was if you it doesn't lock in place. Whenever you bring it all the way back, it doesn't lock in place, which it'll be kind of difficult to load because of that. And also it's the BBs are double stacked. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually load. Okay, so the funnel that you saw in the time lapse, it didn't work that well. So the next time we load this, I'm just gonna put them in a bowl and do them with my hands. My mom had to hold back the little thing, I don't know what it's called, but to load them in. So now how you put the CO2 cartridges in is you need to unscrew the bottom with the included Allen wrench and just unscrew it until it comes off. So come on. It might take a while, so come on. Okay, so now it's unscrewed. So how you put in the CO2 cartridges is it's highly recommended that you use this oil stuff, and you want to just put a tiny little bit on the end. I did too much there. Yeah, that should be enough. So then you want to put that down tip first, and you just want to drop that down there. Now with the second one, you want to do the same thing, except you put it down butt first, like that. So now you want to screw this back in. Just want to screw it until you hear two pierces, which I'll be listening out for. That's one. Was that two? Should have been two. Okay. It's screwed all the way, so it should have been two. Well, okay. So now I'm gonna load this. Loading the mag. Okay, now let's take this outside. Okay, so here we are outside. I just set up the target and like 4 cans. So this has a folding stock, so I just folded out the stock from there, so now I can actually use it. And so let's get to shooting. Wait, first I'm gonna do semi-auto for like 10 rounds about, and then after that I'm gonna do just a mag dump. Okay, it looks like I'm on full auto. But I hit the can. No, looks like that was full auto. Okay. What the heck? Maybe that fixed it. Okay, it is jamming. Here's a... Come on. I don't know what's happening. But it's not working. That's all I know. Let's try full auto. Maybe full auto would work. Okay, that's fun. Okay, it looks like it's only shooting air. Yeah, it's only shooting the first one, and that's it.
Right.
Yeah, only one's getting shot, then the rest jam. Well, let's head inside and
troubleshoot.
either something is wrong with the charging rack, or the mag, or the cartridge. So we know that the cartridge, there's something wrong with. The charging bolt, maybe something might be wrong with it, but we know that the mag may be a little broken, so yeah. Okay, so we when we put in the cartridges the second time, we saw, and when we took them out, we saw that both of them were pierced. So the piercing mechanism, you need to like crank it literally all the way so it stops cranking anymore, and then it pierces both. So we think that there's something wrong with either one, the feeding mechanism inside of the magazine, two, whenever you like rack the bolt back, so basically the feeding mechanism in the gun itself, or three, both. So we're gonna send the gun back to the manufacturers so we know what's wrong, and we get another one of the same model, and hopefully that was just a defective model. So we'll update you guys soon. I can't tell you exactly when, but it should be maybe in like a week at most. So see you guys next time. Goodbye.